everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and today we're going to make a snowman out of one of the Dollar Tree tea light holders. So I grabbed one of these tea light holders that have the black insert and the glass globe. I grabbed one of the snowman hat ornaments. You'll need some orange paint, white paint, and some snow text. It's basically fake snow made by Deco Art, and a black paint pen. So the first thing I did was when I pulled the ornament holder, the hanger, out of the hat, it left a hole. So that's why I grabbed the snow text, and I'm going to fill in the hole with that and then just cover the whole top of the hat with the snow text so it looks like it was snowed on top of his hat. And this stuff's kind of a pain to work with, but once you get the hang of it, it actually comes out really good. And see how cute that is? So now I've taken the insert out, and I'm going to take my black paint marker, and I'm going to draw the snowman's face. So I did 2 teardrops for his eyes. I did a little lines above for his eyebrows. And then I just drew out his mouth with 2 little half circles on either side. And he's looking cute already. Next, I took my orange acrylic paint and a thin paintbrush, and I painted a sideways teardrop to make his carrot nose. Now, you may need to go over the acrylic paint a couple of times in between, it drying, so that there's no light shining through and that you actually have a good thick coat. So now I'm going to fill it with some towels so that you guys can see better, more detail. I'm going to use my white paint, and on one side of each eye, I'm just going to draw a thin line. And with the white in the back, you can see so much better. And then I'm just going to take a pencil and use the tip and dip it in my white paint and do a dot on either side of each eye. And there you go. He's super cute. So now I'm going to put this back in, the metal piece back in, and I'm going to run a bead of glue around the top of the metal piece, and I'm going to glue the hat right onto that. So now you'll be able to pull on the hat, and the whole thing will come out so you can turn on and off your candle. And you're going to want to use an electric tea light in this. Obviously, you don't want to cook the hat. I think this came out super cute, and it was super cheap and fun to make. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to sprinkle.